Balloon Rose Tutorial. First, take out an inflated balloon. Leave a tail of about 8 fingers width. Then make a barrier knot. Proceed to twist a single ear twist, forming the 3-ear twist. Next, make another single bubble of the same size. Continue with a 5-finger single bubble. Push from the middle. Use the deflating method to move the balloon upward. Wrap the thread securely around the 3 barrier twists, securing the tail end by deflating. Deflate the balloon at the bottom. Leave approximately 4 fingers width at the tail end of the second balloon. Then make 3 loop twists of the same size. Next, wrap the flower petal or skin around the 3 bubble rings. Adjust the shape of the petal. Your rose is all crafted.